It's back, and it's bigger and better than ever.
What's back?
Free money for a down payment and closing costs for the purchase of a home. That's what. And who doesn't like free money? I know I do. How about you?
Of course I do. How do I get it?
Well, all you have to do is ask for it.
Who do I ask?
I'm about to tell you. The Neighborhoods Department Head Start to Homeownership program at the City of Jacksonville. The program is offering up to $50,000 of financial assistance to individuals and families to cover the cost of down payment and closing costs when purchasing a home.
Who is eligible for this free money?
Stay with me and I'll tell you all about it. Down payment assistance programs have been around for many years. Some of these programs have limited funds, are temporary, and only last as long as funds are available. These temporary programs are usually short-lived, but normally provide the most money. This is the case for the program I'm about to share with you. Hi, I'm Lucian Valancourt, broker and owner of Native Son Realty here in Jacksonville, Florida. Today, I'm going to tell you about a program administered through the City of Jacksonville called the Head Start to Homeownership Program, also known as the H2H program. This program is now offering up to $50,000 towards a down payment and closing costs for people interested in purchasing a home here in Jacksonville. As with any down payment assistance program, there are some income limits restricting who is eligible for the assistance. These income limits are based on family size. For example, an individual can earn as much as $70,320, whereas a family of 4 can earn as much as $100,320 annual gross income. As you can see, the limits are pretty generous and are based on 120% of the median income in Jacksonville. Historically, these limits were set at 80% of median income. These higher limits have expanded eligibility to a lot more people. The type of home that can be purchased with the H2H program is also very flexible. Basically, any single-family residence, new or existing, including townhomes and condominiums, with a sale price of up to $280,000 can be purchased. Mobile homes or manufactured homes are not eligible. The home must also be located within the City of Jacksonville. To see homes that should meet H2H program requirements, click the link below in the description. The size of the home must be appropriate for the size and makeup of the family, in accordance with minimum occupancy standards published in the local building code. For example, a married couple with a 15-year-old boy and a 10-year-old girl would need a 3-bedroom home. A couple with a 12-year-old girl and a 10-year-old girl would need a 2-bedroom home. There are too many household variations to go through here, but plan on no more than 2 people of the same sex and generation per bedroom. You must have a minimum down payment of $500 and $375 for the inspection fee. This is a very small contribution when you consider the benefits you will receive, and far less than the 3.5% down payment required for an FHA loan. As with any loan, you will need to provide evidence of employment, income, and assets. You will need the last 6 months of bank statements and the last 2 months of pay stubs to get the ball rolling. Here's how the program works. A participating lender will provide a 30-year first mortgage for the home, so you must be deemed creditworthy by the lender and able to qualify for that mortgage. The H2H assistance will be in the form of a second or third mortgage with 0% interest rate and no payments for up to 15 years, depending on the amount of the assistance awarded. The more assistance, the longer the mortgage term. The amount of assistance awarded is based on your need and will be determined by your income and the total size of your household. The good news is that the principal balance of the city's assistance is reduced annually. For example, if the city's mortgage term is 5 years, then the principal is reduced by 20% each year. If the home is sold before the end of the city's mortgage term, then the remaining balance on the city's loan amount must be repaid. So if you live in your home longer than the city's mortgage term, the entire balance is forgiven. That's the free money I was talking about. Pretty sweet, right?
Yeah!
You must attend an 8-hour homeownership class that is available to attend online for a $75 fee. Once the training is complete, you'll be provided with a certificate of completion to submit with your H2H application. Before you start searching for a home, you need to get pre-approved for your financing by speaking to a lender that participates in the H2H program. The lender will verify your information and provide you with a pre-approval letter. Once you have your pre-approval letter, you'll know the amount you are qualified for and know what price range you should be focusing your search in. Once you have found the home that is right for you, an offer to purchase will be presented to the seller. When the seller accepts your offer and you have a sales contract in hand, the home will need to be inspected to ensure the home meets the required housing quality standards. If deficiencies are identified during the inspection, the seller must agree to make the necessary repairs prior to closing. After repairs are complete, a closing date will be scheduled. Then, welcome to homeownership. If you've wanted to own your own home, but have just not been able to save up the money for the down payment and closing costs, then this is a great opportunity for you to make your dream of home ownership a reality. All you need to do is call me and we will get the process started right away. Before you know it, you'll be leaving the closing table with the keys to your very own home and can begin enjoying all the benefits of home ownership. If you found this video interesting and informative, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. That way you won't miss out on any future tips and helpful real estate information. Until then, this is Lucian Valancourt with Native Sun Realty helping you find your place in the sun.